My name is Christian McShaffrey, and I'm the pastor of Five Solas Church in Reedsburg, Wisconsin. We are a member congregation of the Orthodox Presbyterian Church, and I also serve as the stated clerk of the Presbytery of the Midwest. When I heard that there was an organized effort to release Dr. Bahnsen's recorded materials into the public domain, I immediately offered my support and was eventually elected as vice chairman to the Bahnsen Project. I was introduced to Dr. Bahnsen's teaching in the late 1990s as I was preparing for seminary. Alan Strange, who was the new apologetics professor at Mid-America Reformed Seminary, handed me the cassette tapes of Dr. Bahnsen's introduction to Christian presuppositional apologetics and asked that I write a detailed outline of that course. It would not be at all an understatement to say that the time I spent with Dr. Bahnsen, though through a tape recorder, forever changed the way I thought about metaphysics, epistemology, and ethics. To be sure, the days of using cassette tapes are long gone, and that's actually a good thing. The internet, despite all of its idiocies, now allows for the propagation of gospel truth on a level previously unknown. Sadly, many popular internet apologists have arisen in this internet age with alternative methods to defending the Christian faith. But I firmly believe that the works of Dr. Bahnsen need to be reintroduced to this generation so that the self-attesting claims of Christ might continue to be effectively pressed against the ongoing onslaught of unbelief and all autonomous philosophies of life. Please consider partnering with us as we seek to make freely available the many recordings of this man that God used so mightily as an intellectual battering ram against the very gates of hell. The Reverend Dr. Greg L. Bahnsen. Click the link below this video to donate, and thank you for showing interest in the Bahnsen Project.